Stubbornness. Ladies and gentlemen, stubbornness may seem like a small habit, but in truth, it is a prison of the mind. When a person clings to his stubbornness, he neither sees the truth nor hears the wisdom of others. Relationship becomes heavy. I repeat, relationship becomes heavy, and beauty of life begins to fade. Stubbornness affects not just the self, but everyone around. It turns love into distance, trust into suspicion, and peace into noise. True wisdom lies in holding your opinion, but keeping your heart soft. Where stubbornness ends, love begins. Where flexibility lives, relationship flourish. So the question is, will we hold on to our stubbornness, or will we hold on to our relationships?